Hey everyone, you're driving smoothly but suddenly, your car jerks or struggles to shift gears. You pull out your OBD-II scanner, and there it is, code P0980. This error is related to the Shift Solenoid C control circuit high, which means your transmission is having trouble controlling fluid pressure, causing hard shifting, slipping, or even a stuck gear. In this video, I'll explain what P0980 means, where the key sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0980? DTC P0980 stands for Shift Solenoid C Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, manages the shift solenoids, which control fluid pressure and gear shifts. If the voltage in solenoid C is too high, shifting becomes erratic or fails completely. Common symptoms of P0980. If your car has this error code, you may experience hard or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping between gears, check engine light or transmission warning light, car stuck in one gear, limp mode, poor acceleration or reduced fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations, very important. Shift solenoid C location, inside the transmission valve body, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function, controls the flow of transmission fluid to engage gears smoothly. Transmission control module, TCM, location, found near the battery, under the dashboard or mounted on the transmission housing. Function, sends electrical signals to the shift solenoids to manage gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, located on the transmission case near the fluid pressure lines. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and ensures the TCM gets accurate readings. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals for gear engagement. What causes P0980? The most common reasons for this error include 1. Faulty shift solenoid C, stuck or shorted due to electrical issues. 2. Wiring damage or corrosion. Exposed wires can cause high voltage readings. 3. Malfunctioning TCM, transmission control module, sends incorrect voltage to solenoids. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid, causes solenoids to clog or fail. 5. Bad electrical grounding, creates excess voltage in the circuit. How to fix P0980. How to fix P0980. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty or burnt, replace it with new automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded or damaged wires around the solenoid and TCM. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Step 3. Test the shift solenoid C. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3 to 10 ohms. If resistance is too high, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for other TCM-related codes. If voltage output is incorrect, a software update or replacement may be needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the P0980 code with an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10-15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0980, it means shift solenoid C. Circuit is receiving too much voltage, leading to rough shifting or transmission failure. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0827, up and down. Shift, switch, circuit low. P0828, up and down. Shift switch circuit high. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.